Well, good morning, Bolivia Elementary students. I am so glad that you have tuned in to find out what are we doing in remote learning for music this week. Today, we're going to be talking about music and math. Now, I know automatically that half of you were like, "Yay, math," while the other half of you were thinking, "Boo, math." But math and music have so many connections, as I hope you'll see by the end of our time together today. First of all, you need math to be able to count music. Music is divided into equal parts called measures. For example, you might remember that in a 4/4 time signature, there are 4 beats in each measure. So if we were counting the measures, we wouldn't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on and so forth. We would count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when we got to the end of the measure, we'd start over 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, the way that musical rhythms are written are related very closely to fractions. For example, if you think about it, a whole note gets 4 beats. Well, how many beats does a half note get? Well, half of 4 is 2. So a half note gets 2 beats. How many does a quarter note get? How many beats? Well, 1/4 of a whole note is 4 beats, and a quarter note is 1 beat. See? So I thought it would be really great. I know that you are just getting back from Christmas break. I know your brains are probably still mush from video games and movies and lots of candy, probably. But I thought it would be a great day for us to review our times tables. And we're going to do it in a little bit of a different way. First of all, here in this video, I am going to be providing you with some songs that you can use that are easily recognizable tunes to help you review or possibly memorize, if you have not yet, your times tables. We're going to do 2s through 12s. I know we don't really focus on the 11s and 12s times tables, but it's really helpful, especially for 4th and 5th grade students, as we're working on solving problems. Now, you're probably thinking, Ms. Varnum, you're the music teacher. Why are you teaching me about math? Well, that's a great question. I have also been a 3rd grade math, reading, social studies, and science teacher, and a 5th grade math, reading, social studies, and science teacher. And one of the things that I found when I taught 3rd grade and 5th grade is students have a really hard time remembering their times tables. But if you'll work on these and hang with me this week as we practice these, I think you'll find it's a lot of fun and it will help you as you get ready for end of year testing and things like that. So buckle up and hang on. When we get finished with these tunes that I'm going to teach you, I'm going to post the time in the video where you can go back and find these songs. So if there's a times table that you're struggling with, maybe sevens, you can go back to that specific part in this video without having to rewatch the whole thing and work on your sevens. But I'm also going to post on this video assignment some old school multiplication songs from Schoolhouse Rock and some new school multiplication songs from Number Rock. I'm very excited for you to get to do that. Then at the end of our time together, you are going to upload a video or use the Flipgrid link included in the assignment, and you're going to say or sing one set of your times tables facts. Now, you can't use your ones times tables, okay? Not happening. And honestly, I'd rather you not use your twos because you probably got those. But you might say 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. Or whatever times table you choose, all the way to blank times 10 equals blank. You got it? So let's learn some of these tunes. When I think about the ones times table, I really don't think about a song that goes with it because if you're skip counting, you know that 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 9 is 9, and 1 times 10 is 10 because 1 times any number is that number. So 1 times 735 is 735. But when I think of our twos, I think of Old MacDonald, and I think about it like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So if you were to slow that down, you could say 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. See what I mean? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And that's all the way to 2 times 10. What about threes? Well, I'm going to use the Schoolhouse Rock song that I'll be posting for you also in this assignment, but it goes like this: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Let's do that again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. 3 times 9 is 27. 30. See how that works? For our fours, I think of it like a march. So if you want to stand up and march with me, you totally can. No shame. Here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now I'm not going to march this time, so you'll be able to see my fingers. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And that's our fours. Fives, I'm also going to use our Schoolhouse Rock song that'll be posted below. It goes like this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Easy as that. Let's do it again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. What about our sixes? Another one that's a good one to use with Old MacDonald. It's a little tricky. Lots of things to pay attention to. So do it with me. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Ready? Let's do it again. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. What about our sevens? Well, there's a song, it sounds kind of like the Itsy Bitsy Spider. I believe it's called Little Bunny Foo Foo, but don't let that stop you from singing it. It's really helpful. It goes like this: 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Let's do it again. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. What about our eights? We just finished Christmas, so let's do some Christmas songs. Jingle bells for our eights. You ready? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Let's do it again. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. What about our nines? Oh, nines are tricky, but here's the thing. If you know all of your other times tables, nines aren't such a big deal. For example, if you don't remember that 9 times 4 is 36, you might remember that 4 times 9 is 36. No big deal. Let's do We Wish You a Merry Christmas for our nines. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. Are you singing with me? I don't know if you are. You still singing? Let's try it again. Ready? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Ready? Same thing. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Speaking of 90, that brings us to our tens. And our tens are very easy to remember because when you are taking a one digit number and multiplying it by 10, you're moving the one digit number to the tens place and putting a 0 in the ones place. For example, 10, 1 times 10 is 10. 20, 2 times 10 is 20. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What about 11s? Okay, I gotta be honest with you. 11s are super easy to remember, But this is a super hard song to sing. So you might be looking at me going, Ms. Varnum, what are you doing? And that's okay. If you know your 11s, you can just say 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. That's totally fine. But for those of you that want a song to go with it, how about this one? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. How about that? Jingle Bell Rock? I know, I'm still in the Christmas mood. Ready? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. What about 12s? For those of you that really want a challenge, if you don't already know your 12s times tables, I really encourage you to learn them because it will really help you, especially when you're multiplying two-digit numbers. So, you ready for 12s? It's going to be great. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. One more time. Are you ready? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. So that is all of the videos that I would like for you to practice with your times tables. Now, you might be thinking, Mrs. Farnham, those videos were kind of cheesy. Well, they are, but they really do help you remember your times tables. I still sing my threes times tables in my head with that song I used from Schoolhouse Rock. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to watch at least 3 of the times tables videos that I'm posting here below. There are some old school Schoolhouse Rock ones and some new school number rock ones. You get to pick. I really encourage you to pick times tables that maybe you're not as comfortable with so that it will really help you get ready to be faster with your times tables. Then in the Music Google Classroom, you're going to click on Add or Create on today's assignment and upload a video there, or use the Flipgrid link included in today's assignment to say or sing one whole set of your times tables facts. So for example, if you choose the sixes, you're going to tell me 6 times 1, whatever it is, all the way through 6 times 10 and whatever it is. Or you're going to sing the song. So for example, if you chose the sixes, you might do 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Remember that one? So you're going to do the whole times table. So whatever you choose, blank times 1, that answer, all the way through blank times 10, that answer. Or you're going to sing the song that we learned, or you can make up a song of your own if you have that one that you want to use. Or if you really like the Schoolhouse Rock song or the Number Rock song, you can use that one. Some of the Number Rock ones are pretty cool. So choose a times table, not the ones. And really, let's not do the twos. I think you got your twos times tables down. So pick either threes, fours, fives, six, sevens, eights, nines, tens, 11s, or 12s and sing it or say it on Google Classroom or using the Flipgrid link. Until I see you again, I hope you have a wonderful day. And don't forget, math and music are friends, and you can't have one without the other.